Hello and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. MPCC files FIR against 3 MLAs who defected from the party. RTI applicant raises concerns over vehicle transparency. Shillong police launch anti-drug initiative. And WWO felicitates 17 youth for academic excellence. And now the news in detail. Vincent H. Pala, president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, announced at a meeting in Nongstoin that the Congress party has filed legal action against 3 MLAs who recently defected to the National People's Party. Pala stated he has approached the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly regarding the defection and warned that if a fair decision is not reached, the party will seek judicial intervention. He emphasized that these MLAs lack a 2/3 majority, which could lead to their disqualification and trigger mid-term elections in their constituencies. The meeting, attended by key Congress leaders and office bearers from West Khasi Hills, reinforced Pala's assertion that the party remains robust in Meghalaya despite the recent losses. He claimed that grassroots support for the Congress is still strong as communities across the state continue to rally behind the party.
Rekini di Peit hadir bah dilaksanakan suspend, kemudian tanggal rumut dengan sahut, bahasa Rusia dan Khubor bahasa suspend hadir di Peit, kemudian sahut hadir bahasa suspend di rumut, sahut tanggung bahasa Rusia bah Roni, Peit Marway, kemudian kimia ada 2/3 majority. Mentang Rafael Fikis House Speaker, no Speaker ngelai reminder, ingatin House Speaker undang ai, katakan ai kepada budaya berai, Andre Pensem, Andre asli mencuang Rafael yang competition of speaker, ngelom pindah berkeluai kerai, lada pi pimrai ni lek cai kot, terhampa tu di tiaw banwan, ladung ai kanu kerai, dan dia ai kanu kerai bu ai, nin sa approach yang ki appeal kot kalau lene high court belum belum, tang bangai, kino hampa ke India barat kawai. Kibala pep hakini kalau pep kini kalau ini kemana body bisa disqualify. Dewan siau lo do judgment yo kawai kasi kan bandian ke by election ni nong stoik tu. Te la kawan kita pilih macam mana. Masalah bagai apa Goa, ngai Maharashtra, ngai apa Manipur. Kiba pep klaim kadang rim. Lejan baru bisa disqualify. Apa Himachal mana kini rakyat kembali election apa yang masalah. Andrew Wood ki Peit tidak disqualified. Lejan baru Andrew Wood direct. Yang dia lu nak klaim arcati dapat nak discuss. But lawyer gitu ni kebetulan nak try konsedon kembali election buat hang ni hang long story dulu. Kata kajing ai nak try kajing ai warning yang itu dilapet. Orang ni gitu gitu alih amarlah. Kita nak kacang ke views, kita nak kacang ke sinyal. Kita nak macam ke idea. Kita nak nikmat, kita berkat tangga mentah simet. Kita nak nikmat, kita berkat mentah KTP real. Kita nak nikmat, kita berkat tangga ki sunsmet. Andai kita payah kita ay berjumpa. Kami kaya kata itu way rich state. Kita barabol, bagi nak nikmat barabol ini. Bah kita Peit bahal. Nampak Khubor kita mencuba.
Dispersing Rani, an RTI applicant, has raised serious concerns regarding transparency in the vehicle acquisition processes of various government departments, particularly the police department. He emphasized that Section 66 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 prohibits the registration of unregistered vehicles as commercial ones, yet this regulation appears to be overlooked. Rani also sought information about the police department's vehicle confiscation practices, alleging that vehicles were seized without proper tender procedures, suggesting a potential misconduct. He highlighted a 2016 report from the Central Vigilance Commission, which indicated that confiscated vehicles often belonged to individuals with ties to government officials. Speaking to the media, Rani called for greater accountability in how government departments handle vehicle registrations and confiscations, urging authorities to ensure compliance with existing laws to prevent corruption and mismanagement.
Motor Vehicle Act Section 66. Di habere begini, nagalai dunga melawat jingkit apa polis department berkata ke jingkeli ke penungkong ade. Kindly provide information along with the list of the owner and register number plate, type of vehicle pertaining to the public vehicle hired by the police department, including delegation of duty. Tadi number 1. Number 2, kindly provide information pertaining to the total number of different types of police vehicle and their register number plate, including location of duty for all the ML02 vehicle in running condition. Number 3, kindly provide information pertaining to the pending amount that is needed to be paid to the owner of different type of vehicle as hired by the police department. Di habede berkenega information ke mengayo di na ki baru ke state di yang mentang orang yo Shillong district. Kebasa kalau mentang Hanostone badha bagbara. Dekat kongga report ke mengayo kalau mbah apa Shillong ane polis kasih district kikali ke basimwai da police department kidon NEHU South Li. Bagi ML02 kidon aspa NEHU Li. Bak kapsa basa ansiu sekipai pa kalau madu san kelur kendai prolai lat prapawaja sanspa praposa. Kata kali pending amau kepada ansiu seki paiba kebiwai kali ki polis department napok iskasi hil. Kamu korban kiwai kali tan riu teli. Kali office ML02 kidon live riu teli. Bak pending amau kadon arwela san haja druspa arwela san haja druspa kata di bahasa tang riu teli kali. Clear ya? Ka jingwai gali aida yang bomla ban ai ya ki number plate yang itu gali hana kalakhan terkom section 8 G jongka information act ala jasan but kali jongka ML02 kidon subsan teli but ka pending amount to be paid to the public kalong pralak kendai buaya lais pak subsan apa mairan kidon lightly gikali private naik public vehicle nanta khadwai tali ki ML02 baka kapsa basa kalong nyulak kendai pu lai ajar saus pa ar punyo kabade unsiu siki nong aiwa gali basan kade jowai
The Shillong police have initiated anti-drug days from October 11th to 13th to promote a drug-free environment. During this campaign, officers seized 115 litres of Indian-made foreign liquor and 162 litres of beer, aiming to enhance public safety and order. The Women's Welfare Organization, WWO Senra Joai, celebrated the academic success of 17 youth at a meeting on October 11th. Awards were presented to students excelling in SSLC, HSSLC, graduate and PhD. MLA Ba Lakman Rumbui, the chief guest, emphasized the importance of adapting to societal changes over the past 50 years, particularly highlighting the rapid influence of social media in the last 5 years. The meeting, conducted by Dr. Waisa Sumer, chairperson of WWO, also recognized Aloma Pasa and Lamabai Lakyang, the organization's first chairperson and secretary from 1989 to 1990. The event underscored the commitment to women's empowerment and education in the community.
was done same jika Women Welfare Organization yang was saying right. Hadok kami, kamon kini lalu tu, kaya ka mindset yang kemanbe, kamnam kebetok kami, kakwa kana tu kini dani, kemanbe kami tu manhi, keman kuyo adab. Yang jingkelah kat kambaman kapor ki jingkelah ki sanpau tu lagi snem man ki go kro tu kat dekat iba da chenai kamon ke beding klam hagi tu ki sanpau sem nang chua kamon kelah tu kat kamon ke chaskra he imbiang kita dan tu por kami man kamon ke pure ke puthi kamon ke tukhi tukhan, kamon ke jim yang I hadiah to prabu. Kini to mangi ke jingkela kiwa kelah tukhan. Is nyam kemeni. Kasakawi ko kwa ke jingkela, kayi ko kelah do apa kini santli kisne. Haju ipar ko MNC, haju ipar to Khuborjylla to usaha. Kecewaan yang social media. Hari ini sangat lagi senang. Warna cepun kecingkelah. Kecingkelah ku era. Bahan kecingkelah, keciwan rakyat tu harus saja. Cisnam tam. Iwa jauh COVID. Mindset yang kimanbe, mindset yang ikhru, kaya kejegal, iwan lah ke social media. Ito upay. Tahakam jo lagu pure ke puthi. Hagi por dam tende. Ang gibru your first division mod kecil kemen go. Second division renang kemen cucu. Third division senyau sukhi. Long supplement lah dan senyap hai. Handrai kami 10% pra persen, 70% untuk kehukum. Kejengkemen to manfaat to risau. Ye kini ki kon ki yang I betul kejengkemen ston berarti.
Minister for Tourism Paul Lyngdoh attended the Adventures Nyotrep Off-Roaders Ahor event at Kharsati Nature Park, which began on October 10th and concludes on October 12th. He announced that the state government would provide financial support for the team and confirmed that the tournament would be included in the Meghalaya Tourism Department's calendar. During the second day, participants competed in 3 categories: stock, modified and pro-modified, navigating various challenges roads. Ahor President Damien Umdor and other officials were present. Winners of the off-road driving competition will be awarded cash prizes on the final day of the tournament, highlighting the event's significance for promoting tourism in the region.
Saya bapak penelitian mahal luka kali baar le blok le kada. Bon jen la ke cerut le.
Deputy Chief Minister of Orissa, Kalawat Ban attend kum the Chief Guest Shillong. Bosco và inisiatif Khuborjylla hamtam layak kita teruskan kedongkam dia ke jingkesan, dia ke support, ke patronage jong Department Khuborjylla, Department of Tourism di ngagak di dalam promoters jong ini event dulu disuruh Department Khuborjylla program event benda lupa dan terkenal Peit di t-shirt jong biru ke logo jong Meghalaya Tourism kalau ada lupa buat lagi orang di ini yang ada di Khubor di negara kemukasan berikut belum dapat banyak show ini.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Sumaralisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.